To connect to Phantom Wallet and import a wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. If not, download and install it from the official website. Next, launch the Phantom Wallet extension and click on the Create or Import Wallet button. Then, select the Import Wallet option from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is a list of words that was given to you when you first created your Phantom Wallet. Enter the words in the correct order, separated by spaces, and click on the Next button. You will then be asked to create a new password for your imported wallet. Choose a strong and unique password, and confirm it by re-entering it in the next field. After setting up your password, click on the Import Wallet button to complete the import process. Your wallet will now be imported and connected to the Phantom Wallet extension. You can verify this by checking your wallet balance and transaction history. It is essential to keep your secret recovery phrase and password safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. Best practices include storing your secret phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet, and using a password manager to generate and store unique and complex passwords. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely connect to Phantom Wallet and import your existing wallet, allowing you to manage your digital assets and perform transactions with ease. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and its contents to protect your investments.